Hello, everyone. Welcome to this series of success story sessions. And today we have Deekshith Gowda with us. Deekshith has done his MCA from Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham. And then he joined as an intern with Meriscale. Then he worked with 360DigiTMG also. He worked as a trainee here. And he did his internship with AiSPRY, which is our AI services company. And he's working with MFine as catalog associate now. Having said that, he got a job in Flipkart as a data analyst, which is a great thing, right? Everyone knows Flipkart, Amazon, and these e-commerce portals. So Deekshit, it takes a lot of hard work to get into this field, that too in top-notch companies, and you have actually nailed it. You got into that field through your hard work and dedication. And I would like to ask a few questions on how did 360 DigiTMG help you, Deekshit? And how did your project that you did with AiSPRY, the previous company we changed it now, it's AiSPRY. So how did AiSPRY help you? Would you like to throw some light?
Yeah, sure, Bernie. Before that, first of all, I would thank you and your teammate. So this your team helped me to crack this job. And first of all, as I joined 360 DigiTMG, so I was having a basic knowledge about Python. I was not having a deeper understanding of what is EDA and what are the analytical skills. So as I joined, first thing I would appreciate about 360 DigiTMG is that the syllabus structure you have made. So, and also the mind maps. So during my interview process, it helped me a lot, the mind maps. So we cannot go through each and every topics. So by seeing the mind maps, we can easily able to understand the concept very well. And also the projects I did. So to crack that project or to give the interview of that project, we need to do all the analytical skills. Like we need to Python, we need to do that project in SQL as well. We use Power BI, and we also use the Google Looker Studio. So so all in one at a one place. Yeah.
True. And we make students do all of that because we are also preparing them for the interviews, not just the project, but also they are preparing eventually for the interviews. Hence, we bring in that rigor. Wonderful. And a second question is, Deekshit, what would be your advice for people who are currently undergoing the training or who just completed? How should they prepare so that they get into this field of data analytics? What are your suggestions for them?
Yeah, first thing is consistency. So consistency matter a lot. And what each class they'll teach, we need to work on that. And they'll give us some assignments. We need to complete that assignments. So doing assignments, learning theory is different from doing it practically. So while doing assignments, we do it practically. So rather than going just through the theory, we need to take few data sets on our own, and we need to we need to implement what we get taught in the classes. Yeah.
Wonderful. So Dikshit is saying that you need to practice, friends, that hands-on experience is more relevant than theory. Of course, both are important, but practicals take precedence. Okay. And then second thing is, if at all they want to crack interviews specifically in Flipkart, so should they focus on something which is critical? Dikshit, what do you think?
Yeah, based on the job description, they need to work on. So that's the one thing. And obviously, if you want to get into the data analytics field, Python, EDA, and SQL is a must. So that's the one thing.
Python, EDA, SQL is a must. And the very important thing that you told us, they have to prepare based on the job description.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, maybe some amount, not faking, but ensuring that your resume suits the job description. For that, some changes probably would be needed. And then prepare based on the job description rather than going unprepared. You should be extremely well prepared before you face any interviews.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Thank you. Thank you so much, Deekshith, for such nice, knowledge sharing attitude that you possess. And all the best for your future. I'm certain you'll scale up and you'll grow in your career in leaps and bounds. All the best. And do stay in touch. And whenever there are
Yeah,
any
sure.
references in your company, do let us know. We'll be more than happy to, share with you the profiles. Thank
Yeah,
you.
sure. Yeah, sure, Brandon. Thank you. Thanks a lot.